being a person who happened to ask Umbali in a meeting ukuthi le yanto engangizwa ngifike esibhedlela yayimayelana nani okuthi uShibase wayethi akafuna ukukhokhela umthombesi ngicela umuntu oyaziyo ayibeke kwi-context. I was told kumele kukhishwe imali and then that money is supposed to be divided by 4 ukuze yenze le mali ezokhokhwa, but uShibase was very clear akazingeni
Umsawathi unenesila eliyumba ezofaka medical aid namhlanje nithi ngiyimangalo ukuthi akanayo medical aid kwathiwa ayikho.
Ngathi ningangibalike mina lapho ngoba mina ngajenga leyo. Yes,
it should be everyone's concern ukuthi simnakekele sonke futhi equal.
Ngoba nithintele into ye-medical aid iyangikhathaza kakhulu ngangisho lo. Uma ungabheka izinto engizenzile zingaphezulu kwe-medical aid fanele ngenzelwe i-medical aid ingazenzeli, otherwise labo mama bazothi bangenzeleni. And uma Khumalo owazi waphoqeleka ngenxa ukuthi khona inkampani asebenza kuyona ukuthi angithathele i-medical aid, ngamtshela ngathi ngicela uyi-cancel because leyo nkampani is a private company. Abantu abaku-government abagane mina fanele ba-demonstrate. And uShibase ngimtshelile ngathi no angivumi ukuthi kube wena ongifaka kwe-medical aid ngabephakamisa ngimtshelile ngathi angivumi inezizathu zami ezenza ngingavumi. Kusho ukuthi sisele nomuntu oyedwa and akufuneki ngiyikhokhele babundabe.
What specifically me because
awufuni ukunginakekela.
No, angisho ukuthi angifuni ungizwe kahle yokuthi angithi njengoba siwu4 sikunakekela sonke so4 equally. Bonjani kuthina nginakekele yedwa abanye bengakunakekeli kodwa kwamakhosikazi wakho uba provider futhi ngayo yonke into.
Nombela uzongifaka ku-medical aid noma ngeke ungifake?
Pendulani.
Nombela usebenza kuhulumeni. Nombela ngiyindoda yakho ngenzele. Ngikunikezele nje izathu.
Asekuzona izathu ezivalide ukuthi uyindoda yami uyindoda yethu.
Asekho valid lezo zathu.
No, azikho valid because we know ukuthi awuyona indoda yami.
Okay.
Akuyona i-answer nje ongayiphendula.
Okay.
Mhlambe unenye reasoning ekufune ngabe uba specific usinonombela ngifuna ngifake wena just because of 1 2 3. Eyokufazi ufuna ungayifaki because akumina ngedwa umfazi. Eyokuthi ngisebenza kuhulumeni shouldn't be reason because akumina ngedwa sebenza kuhulumeni. If
Okay, ngenxa yokuthi ke lezi izathu zami azikho valid ukuthi ngingaqualify ukwenzelwa lento, then Nombela ungangenzela because I don't qualify.
Thank you.
Amakhosikazi ami wonke a-contribute about 25,000 including you ukuthi mina kusave webuhlengwe impilo yami babindabeni.
That's it.
Yes. So bonke all of them. And lokho ngakuchaza and ngihlale ngikuchaza ukuthi bakwenza ngihlale ngikuchaza.
No, it's fine. Lokho siyakuzwa lokuchaza angaze ngize nje ngifuna ukufaka medical aid.
I said Shibase ngizathu
several times. So ngangeke nami ngize ngiphoqeke isimo. Asike ngenzela ukuthi nje
Sicaci umthombeni uyayikhuluma lento lemthombeni is okay ukufaka medical aid again ngoba uShibase yasho sawuthanda.
Yes, ngifuna umangwazi.
You know what? Uma ngabe ngathi umfazi stinch, I mean for the fact ukuthi indaba ye medical aid uma yena wayidiscussa nomseleki ukuthi that's before egula, and then uma Khumalo yena after eguleni sebeseke khiphile imali sebehlanganisile njengabafazi bathi iyozokufaka ku medical aid sharp. So those are the wives that are showing ukuthi we care about you and I want you to be part of medical aid, but umseleki ke wanqaba. Uma ngabe yena wayangakaza suggest okay uma cela yena thuleleni okay fine macele yena she doesn't mind paying cash, but uma cela yena akanayo medical aid for umseleki okay uma ngabe ke yena ke why angasuggestanga ukuthi singufake ku medical aid like namanje nasetafuleni uthulile ku-diary still she's saying thank you, meaning akafuni ukuthi afake uSeleko. But etafuleni uthi sekazomfaka-ke. Like why? And also why does uMseleko want uMangwabi ukuthi amfake specifically uMangwabi? Hi, guys, please like the video, please subscribe to the channel, and please comment down below.